Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Dream Germany for beginners. In the previous video you learned few greetings in German. In this video you will learn alphabets and their pronunciation. So without wasting any time, come to the point.
Lektion 2. Das Alphabet. Das Alphabet. A. Apfel. B. Ball. C. Couch. D. Delfin. E. Elefant. F. Fisch. G. Garten. H. Haus. I. Igel. J. Jacke.
Please notice that the sound of J is that of Y.
K. Kaffee. L. Liebe. M. Maus. N. Nuss. P. Pinguin. Q. Quiz. R. Rose. S. Sonne.
The pronunciation of S is like the English G.
T. Tiger. Und. Uhr. V. Vogel.
The pronunciation of V is like the English F.
W. Wolke. X. Xylophon. Y. Yacht. Z. Zebra.
There are 4 more letters in the German alphabets. Let's move on to them.
E. Bär.
The 2 dots on the top of the A is known as umlaut. The sound changes from A to A.
Ö. Öl. Übung.
The last one looks like beta sign.
SZ. Foss.
Danke. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still have not. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below.